Now NEET PG and INICT 2025 are over. What should be the strategy for NEET PG and INICT 2026? So hello everyone, I am Dr. Mayur Khajra, AIR 29 NEET PG 2023 and AIR 684 INICT 2023. Coming to what is the new pattern of these exams compared to our times. Nowadays, more of moderate to long stem questions are being asked. The questions are more of previous year topic based. So approximately in NEET PG, 124 questions came common from the previous year topic list and 140 came common in the INICT November. So if you also want to have the previous year topic list, it is given in the description box below and pinned comment section. You can have it. Number three is that the question pattern is becoming more and more conceptual, more than factual questions, and more number of image-based questions are asked nowadays. Coming to difference between NEET PG and INICT in the marks weightage, as you can see that anatomy and physiology are more important for the INICT. INICT is more of first year and second year based exam. From this 8 subjects only you get approximately 100 questions in common, but NEET PG focuses more on biochemistry, pharmacology, pathology, microbiology, FMT, community medicine, and the major 3 clinical subjects. Pediatrics is more focused in the INICT and it is less focused in the NEET PG. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot or join my Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box below. Coming to schedule, INICT May is scheduled to be on 17th of May. NEET PG we don't have the dates, but I can assure you that it will be after 14th of June. सो अभी तक के लिए INICT का प्रिपरेशन करके चलते हैं, उसके बाद नीट पीजी का जो जितना टाइम मिलेगा वो वाला मिलेगा. So from 17th of December to 17th of March will be your first reading. Your second reading will be in the half of the time with 7th May up to, and in the last 10 days there will be final 10 days revision strategy. Second revision और last 10 days का वीडियो बाद में आ जाएगा, ठीक है. अभी फर्स्ट रीडिंग में फोकस करते हैं. A realistic schedule through which you can complete all your subjects within these 3 months. Anatomy, you will get 1 day upper limb, lower limb and thorax 1 day, abdomen, embryology, histology 1 day, neuroanatomy, head and neck 1 day, physiology 3 days, biochemistry, carbs and lipid 1 day, amino acid and vitamins 1 day, molecular and others 1 day, pathology general for 1.5 days, hemat for 1 day, systemic for 1.5 days, pharmacology 4 days, microbiology, bacteriology 1 day, mycology, virology and general in 2 days, parasitology in 1 day, FMT in 2 days, medicine, CVS, rheumat 1 day, CNS, GIT 1 day, respi, renal 1 day, and infectious disease and others 1 day. Surgery general 1 day, GIT 1 day, endocrine renal 1 day, specialities that is the plastic surgery, neurosurgery, thoracic surgery 1 day. OBGY OPS 2 days, Gynae 2 days, Pediatrics General 1 day, Systemic 1 day, Eye could be completed in 2 days, ENT Ear 1 day, and Nose and Throat 1 day. Short subjects 1 day each. So you have 47 days, 8 days you will do GT and review, it will take 1 day. So 55 days and approximately 35 days you will get in buffer. मतलब 35 days इसको extend कर सकते हो, एक एक दिन करके add कर सकते हो. Many days are there in buffer. This is a crisp plan to execute, but if you are having internship in between, so it will take time. So इसीलिए इतना दिन buffer के लिए दिया है. GTs you will have to give the grand test from Marrow only. No other app is having that much standardized grand test or that many number of test takers. Now your daily schedule should be looking like this. If you are an early person, you will have to be an early person because the exam will be at 9 o'clock. So 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. will be your first reading. Then you will have breakfast. After that, you will solve previous year questions 100 each day, 9:30 to 10:30, 10:30 to 12:30. You will review the explanations and annotate them in your main notes. Now, what I mean by saying annotation, annotation means you will have to highlight like this. I have given an example, highlight and write the year it has come. So one thing, you will know which topics are previous year topics and important for the exam, and how many times they have been asked in which exam, that you will get to know. With that, in 12:30 to 1:30 you will do again reading, 3 to 5:30 again reading. Custom modules, if you join my pro telegram channel, then you will get access to custom modules of Marrow, and you can solve it there. There you will get other features like monthly a meeting on how should be your plan, and personal mentorship also, and some MCQs weekly. So you can join my pro telegram channel. The link is given in the description box below and the pinned comment section. Or else what you can do is give hashtag recent neat, hashtag aims, hashtag image based, hashtag clinical, and hashtag drug of choice, and solve a custom module of 45 questions each day. From 7 to 10:30 p.m. again you do reading, then you will have a break, and the last revision of previous day subject, because revision and active recall are very much important to keep it in your long term memory. Coming to previous year question modules, you should solve previous year question modules only from Marrow or PrepLadder, because these two are standard. No other app is that much standard in their explanation, क्योंकि उसका explanation से future questions उठ के आता है. So only follow Marrow or PrepLadder. Solve it, then see the complete explanation with the incorrect ones, because the incorrect ones are the future questions. And solve 8 years of NEET PG, 7 years of INICT and 3 years of FMG. इस साल हम लोगों ने देखा कि दिस ईयर FMG से ही 50% of the topics were common in the NEET PG exam from FMG 2025 in NEET PG 2025. Notes, you will do the rapid revision notes and you can purchase my previous year topics. So उन topics का क्या करना पड़ेगा, उन topics को तुमको main note से पढ़ना पड़ेगा, because what I have said that the new pattern is deals with the concepts and in-depth understanding of the topic, so that could only be provided in the main notes. So your bible will be the revision notes, and the previous year topics you will mark in your main notes. The link is given in the description box below and pinned comment section. So वो सारा headings को highlight कर लेना and add the extra points in your RR. So add the extra previous year topics in your rapid revision notes, so that you can review them as many number of times when you do the subsequent revision. 20th notebook is very much important. You will have to keep important previous year topics which are volatile, which you think are volatile. So this is a personalized 20th notebook. No need to buy any 20th notebook. You will have to keep the TNM staging, CAP scoring, MELD score, any type of score, Downey score, APGAR score, Silverman score, or anything you find to be volatile, you will have to keep it in the 20th notebook. Images, rapid revision, they have images, but classical images or the images that are asked in the NEET PG, the OT specimens, these are not mentioned in the rapid revision notes. So you can try my digital image bank. Now it is at a discounted price of $499 with 1000 plus images. So you can try it. It has all 19 subject, 1000 plus images. The link is given in the description box and pinned comment section. Other important things that you should keep in mind while preparation is that you will have to limit the social media. You can use WhatsApp, you can use YouTube for educational content, and Instagram a separate, make a separate educational account where you will follow only the educators, and limit the time to maximum of 1 hour. Use Pomodoro technique. You can use the Forest app for this, and don't watch news, because news spreads a lot of negativity. So you will have to avoid negativity and imbibe positivity. Be consistent. Consistency is the key to success, and discipline is the key to success. So be consistent, eat healthy, have healthy habits. Now, jate jate question of the day. What is the diagnosis? You can see in the image. What is the diagnosis? You are seeing some reddish teeth. And what is the enzyme defect? Do let me know in the comment section below. Now you can see a video on how NEET PG is different from INICT and decoding NEET PG. So go watch them now.